out there trying to make it, so what happens if you don't? Or what if when you get there you find out it doesn't turn out to be everything you hoped? I say I'd rather try and fail a million times and see what happens to my future if I don't. And I'm working too hard just to turn around and quit before I make it, so I won't. Plus the crowd got me high, the mic I hold it close. Attention is a drug, I hope that I don't overdose. Cause too much of a good thing always turns into a bad one. And soon enough the mic you held is looking like a handgun. Suicide bars, I'm killing myself. I'm act like Dre, yeah I'm feeling myself. I'm cooking up the crack and do the dealings myself. I swear I did it on my own, I'll be billing myself.